Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about general section, more specifically the device simulator and most likely the services. Let's just get started. So in device simulator, it will usually open up this tab and it will usually be smaller than this, but this is just so you could, like it says, it just simulates a device. You could change right here if you want it to be a simulator or you want it to be the game. Over here you could do the same thing as well. And now if it says simulator is currently not active, it's because you touched away from it. Just click on it. There's also the different types of devices. So if you have a Samsung S9, you could check it out. You could, adjust it yourself right here. And everything that you adjust also adjusts over here in the game view. So you could check all the phones that you have. This is the one that I had previously, or that I currently have. It's just a Motorola G7 Power. So this is what my phone would look like using this game. I could also scale it, which will scale the whole phone. I could fit it to screen, so just make sure the phone fits to the screen. I could rotate it, so if I'm, building a mobile game and I want it to be laid like this instead of, rotated like this. There's safe area. Now safe area is the area that is pretty much the safe zone where your game will not get cut off. So if you have UI or anything that you don't want it to be cut off, make sure it's in this safe zone. There's also play and focus. So this is what happens when you hit play mode. You could play it on focus. So play on focus, what that means is just that when I hit play, I won't be able to automatically just click on something and it will work. I would actually have to click it twice so it could register. And that would be just for the first time. But play focus, as soon as I hit play, anything I touch or anything I do with my mouse will automatically register. And for play maximum or maximize, this will just maximize the whole game view. And then there's control panel. So if we go to control panel, there's application settings. And then you could have your system language. You could have if it's reachable via local area network or carrier data network. Or you could actually call this so it could be low on memory. And you could see how your game runs when it's low on memory. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the device simulator. Now we're going to go to general and go to the services. Now services, this is where you could pretty much get services from Unity like ads to monetize your games. So you could do cloud build. You could build your games to the cloud and it'll build faster. There's also cloud diagnostics where you could find errors. You collect user feedback, collaborate. You collaborate with other people, from across the world if you wanted to with your project. So you guys could both work on the same project. There's in-app purchasing. In-app purchasing, it just allows you to, add in-app purchases pretty much. So if you wanted to have a game where a person would have to buy lives with actual money, you could do that here. And then it's the Unity distribution portal where it allows you to distribute to multiple apps through a single hub. Now if you want to use this, you would have to click on it and download this package from the package manager. For in-app purchases, and for everything else, you would have to click on it, pretty much where it says off, click on it, and this would pop out. Now it would say to create a user ID project, and if you already have one, or if you have your organization already, you could select it, and then just hit create project ID. I'm going to do that real quick. And now as you can see, it's going to ask if your project is targeting children under the age of 13. So you could put no or yes depending on what it is doing. If it is, just click here to learn more about all the compliances that you have to follow if you are targeting children under the age of 13. Then click save. And now you will be able to just click on and off on all these right here. Some of them, like the in-app purchase, if you don't have the packages, it will require you to download them. So usually when you hit on, it will tell you that you're gonna pretty much download the package, and you just download it. And then each individual setting over here has different things or different options. So this option for in-app purchases is gonna ask for a key from the Google Play console, and then it shows you the steps right here how to get it. There's also collaborate, all that stuff. See right here it says on, and I could turn it on and off whenever I please. Collaborate, all that stuff. And then there's general settings. So this, if I click it, it's going to show all the information of your project, your publisher name. It's going to show if you're targeting children under 13 and stuff like that. And it also has a button that allows you to unlink the project to your name. So right here it says project was linked successfully. There's actually a button there. If you click it, it will unlink it, and it will ask you if you're sure if you want it to be unlinked unlink, and as you can see right here, project was unlinked successfully because I actually pushed the button. I didn't go to it because it has, you know, my information, so I didn't actually show it in the video, but trust me, if you click this, it'll show a tab. If you try to unlink it, it will ask if you're sure. If you're sure, just say yes, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions on these, if you guys, I don't know, want me to make a video or something on any of these settings, let me know, because that would be better for a separate video, because all these have way too much things that you have to do for them to actually work for your game. So I would have to make a separate video for each one. But anyways, if you guys liked this video, if you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me, a lot to my channel, help me a lot, help everybody else a lot. And once again, thank you guys.